Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am super excited because we're opening up 9 of Earth Tarot subscription box, and look how pretty the box is this month. It seems like the box is different every single month. It's definitely not been this pretty green box. I love it. Definitely think there's a spring theme here. So 9 of Earth is one of my favorites, of course, because I am a tarot reader. I love tarot and spirituality, and you get a deck, either an oracle or a tarot deck each month. And it's all based on a theme, and then a bunch of other magical, amazing items. I will link them down below. This is one I paid for myself. It's a little expensive, but to me, it's worth it. I use all the items inside and really enjoy them. It's like 50-something dollars. I'll leave it to like around $50 and maybe some shipping. I'll link it down below and put the price there too. Yeah, before we get started, hey guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you haven't already, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. But let's get this open, you guys. I can't wait any longer. I love getting new decks. Even though I have a million, I never get sick of it. And I can see that the theme is Earth Energy. I love this. And I love how it matches. And right on top, there's this little butterfly sticker. And it's green butterfly. I love it. And inside here, it'll talk about all of the items. It usually starts the deck on top. So you get a lot in there. I love this Earth Energy. I'm a lot of Earth in my chart, my natal chart. I'm a Taurus sun. I have a lot of Capricorn in the second house, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, can't see what's inside. Let's start digging through. So, looks like we have an oracle deck. Should we start with that? No, let's just start with whatever's on top. Ooh, wildwood, hand-rolled masala incense sticks. Oh my god, yes. Look how pretty the box is. I love incense. Yes, please. I love the name of this, wildwood. Soul sticks incense. It's traditional aromatic herbal incense handmade in India. Oh my god, they smell so good. Like high quality. You can tell, I'm getting good at telling. Yes. Oh my gosh. I love incense so much. This is so good. I love this. Is there anything I need to tell you about this? Why not? It smells amazing. 100% natural blend of fresh Himalayan herbs, spices, and flowers. I'm so happy with this already. Yay! Ooh, we got a piece of jewelry. Oh, there's a bee on it. Yes. You can't see, can you? No, it's a little high up. I have a bee over there. I pretty recently found out from like a family member I've been talking to in a long time that my great-great-grandma from Lithuania is psychic, and I was looking into like Lithuanian witches, and the first thing that came up was something about bees. So I still have to do research into all of that because I had no clue about my Lithuanian heritage and all that stuff. But bees are a big thing from where my ancestors are from, and I think this is so cute. There's a bee, a little crescent moon, and is that like a little star? Let's see what it says here. Where is this? Bee prosperity necklace. Prosperity, yes, I'm always trying to bring forth prosperity, abundance, success, good luck, abundance, dedication, and renewal. This is by 9 of Earth. It has a retail value of, I'm gonna try to put this on it, $19.99. Yeah, bees pollinate around 80% of the food we eat, cotton for our clothes, and much more. Throughout history, bees have been a symbolism for many things, including prosperity, life, community, joy, success, determination, etc. The necklace features a bee underneath a crescent moon, symbolizing release, empowerment, and your ability to manifest with hard work and determination. This is made with, make sure you can see it, 18 karat gold plated chain, 16 karat gold plated pendant, and cubic zirconia stone. Come on now, focus. I love it. I think you can tell even if it's not focusing. If I go like this towards the sun, sorry, I know my lighting's not the best, but it's been giving me headaches to have the lights on lately. Like studio lights, the lights above are fine. I love this, you guys. This looks like really good quality. Oh my god. And I like the length of it. Oh, I didn't even put any jewelry on yet. Perfect. And that was really easy. I love this. Yay! Okay. Oh, what's this? The Empress Bee. They're gonna sow the magic. The stunning annual. Oh, these are seeds. Oh my god, I love my plant babies. And Fridays are when I'm filming this on Thursday. Tomorrow's the day I do like a lot of plant work. So I'm gonna do plant some tomorrow and put it out there. There's wasps that come around. I haven't seen bees here, but okay. So this is the bee's friend flower, Phacelia Tanacetifolia, if that means anything. This stunning annual bears subtle lavender blue flowers, pretty with curved spikes that put on a beautiful show in your garden and attract and support many species of bees. Often used as a cover crop, this plant's common name is a translation of Bienenfund German. Oh, that means bee's friend in German. It grows to be 12 to 24 inches tall. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see what these look like. Blue and purple, yes. I will take pictures. It'll take 60 days for them to mature, but 7 to 12 to germinate, so maybe I'll like keep you guys updated. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this deck looks amazing. Seasons of the Witch, Beltane Oracle by Lorianne Anderson and Juliet Diaz. I'm so excited. Unlock your potential for growth, creativity, and abundance within the energy of Beltane. Also known as Mayday, yes. I'll just open this and look at a couple cards. If you guys want to see it, I'll definitely be using this in an upcoming, or probably multiple upcoming videos on my second channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot pick card readings and other stuff. Oh my god, yay. This looks so good. This is $24.95. I don't know if you guys care about all the prices, but you definitely, like, decks can be expensive. So it's awesome to get them in a subscription box with other things. Oh my god, yes. Well, cool. They have like an app, I guess, for crystals, but I love the golden, like, edges. Oh my god. Gilded edges? I don't know if that's the right word. These look so pretty. And look, there's bees on this. You guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my god. And the first one's bee. Don't drink all the life from one flower, for there are many to taste and explore. Look how pretty this card is. Oh my gosh. Bonfire. It is through remembering that you will wake the ritual of your existence and be reborn in mighty celebration. You guys, this might be like my favorite new deck. Oh my gosh. I'm just looking at a couple of them. Boundaries, it talks about next. Primal. Sex magic, I love that. Surrender. The Lovers. Vision. Wildcat. So 44 cards. This is beautiful, and it comes with a guidebook, which I'm super happy about. I love that. I'm so happy right now. I love this so much, you guys. Yay! And we're not done. There's at least, I think there's 2 items left. Let me put these back. I like to cleanse and, you know, meditate with my cards before I like use them. That's why I don't want to like get into it too much right now. No, there's 3 items left. Sweet. Cool. Print is Dead pocket mirror. This is a little nice. These are convenient, and it's really pretty. And look, there's a pentacle. Can you see, you guys? Awesome. Yay. I like that. Oh, are these 2 candles? Sweet. Oh my god, they look so pretty and green. I love green. Lit Rituals Meadow Maiden Ritual Altar Candles. Hi, Emmy. My kids like pay attention to me. I love these. I love the color. Oh my gosh. I am making a new altar over here. I should put this here. I have something from my grandma, like her wings, and my parents just got to Florida today. They have a place like an hour away from where I live, and they brought something from my other grandma, and I'm really excited to get working on that. Yay! Oh my god, wait, there's more things. There's 2 crystals here that look green. Oh my god, what are they? I need to know. Aventurine and tree agate. Oh my god, yes. I have dendritic tree, but I don't think I have and I have moss agate, but I don't have tree agate, so I'm really excited. Because I remember looking into the differences. They're pretty similar, they help with the grinding, but there's differences too. Because I thought maybe I had a tree agate. I don't know why I'm explaining this to you when I open it, I guess. Because I couldn't identify one, but I figured out what it was. Oh my god, it's really pretty. cool. I do have aventurine, but give me all the aventurine. I'm trying to become more prosperous and abundant in this lifetime. So yes, that's the tree agate. And then here is the aventurine. I love the color. Oh my god, awesome. I love that we got these. And then, oh my god, this is a perfume. Last but not least, there's so much in this box. This is one of my favorites. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This looks so pretty. I'm sure it smells beautiful too. Let's see. Come out. Looks like there's flowers in it. I love little perfume bottles. Ooh. Why isn't this coming out? I might just have to rip it. Oh, I think there's tape. That would make sense. This is so cute. Incantation for Passion and Serendipity by Mandala Gems. It's made with lemongrass, citrus, essential oil, coconut oil. I don't know. There's crystals in here and flowers. This is so cute. Look at this pointed edge. Smell it. Oh my god, I love it. Incantation. What a good little name. This smells really good. It's like sweet but not too strong. I really like it. Let's see if it has a description because I'm not good at describing scents. How do people become good at that? One day I'll learn. Oh, here it is. It's right on top. An aromatic aid for passion, serendipity, confidence, and attraction. Incantation is a luscious blend of what's been used for generations as aphrodisiacs. Hetty Damiana mingles, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, with the playful scent of citrus and exotic lemongrass in a fusion that is both seductive and joyful. It smells so good. And that tells you how to use it. And Damiana essential oil is very difficult to distill, driving the cost to over $1 a drop. What? Oh my god. Wow, I feel so bougie and special. That's awesome. You guys, I loved this. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think it's definitely worth it. I will use every single item in here happily. Definitely recommend if you're into the same things I am. I am so excited to get into that deck especially. It's beautiful. Everything though. I love that I get to plant something too tomorrow. Yay! Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know how you're doing. I'm so grateful you guys are here. Thanks for everything. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you tomorrow or in an upcoming video. I love you so much. Bye guys.